Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, the place where we unlock the secrets to success. Today, we've got something truly game-changing for you. Zero to Hero, the ultimate guide to making money through killer sales funnels. I'll be your guide on this journey to financial freedom. Are you tired of the daily grind, living paycheck to paycheck? Zero to Hero is here to change your life. It's not just another course. It's your ticket to financial independence. First, we'll dive into the fundamentals of sales funnels. You'll learn what they are and why they're essential for any business. We'll take you from zero knowledge to understanding the heroics of a well-structured funnel. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to create your sales funnel. We'll show you step-by-step how to design a high-converting funnel that's as effective as a superhero in action. But the journey doesn't end there. Zero to Hero is all about long-term success. We'll reveal strategies for scaling your business, turning you into a sales funnel hero in no time. But don't just take our word for it. Check out these real success stories in the website from people who went from zero to hero. Are you ready to transform your life and become a sales funnel hero? Zero to Hero is your path to financial freedom. Click the link below to get started now.